Is your living room a sanctuary or just a storage unit? Sparkles. Most people think a small apartment means small style. At Beki Décor, we practice visual expansion. Today, we're decoding the living room revelation, transforming your small space into a chic, stylish masterpiece without breaking the bank. Let's turn your rental into a designer statement. Welcome back to Beki Décor, the home of organic minimalism and high artistry budgeting. I'm Beki. If you've been scrolling through Pinterest feeling like your small apartment could never look that chic, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we are mastering brilliant small space decorating. I'm sharing my senior designer secrets on how to use scale, light, and material alchemy to curate a home that tells a story of elegance on a real-world budget. Let's get grounded. The living room revelation. Designer secret 1. The horizon hack, visual expansion. Luxury begins with visual expansion. Step 1. We're installing the horizon hack by placing an oversized mirror directly opposite your primary light source. You double your vertical volume. Now, here is the designer secret. Don't just hang it. Lean a floor-length mirror against the wall. This creates a sense of architectural intimacy and breaks the boxy feel of an apartment. It turns a cramped corner into a breathtaking focal point for the cost of a single thrifted mirror. Designer secret 2. The floating anchor. Negative space storage. We're practicing material alchemy by using negative space. Step 1. Remove the bulky furniture that eats your floor. Step 2. Install floating shelves. Here is the designer's secret. Follow a monochromatic dialogue. Paint your shelves the exact same color as your wall. This makes the storage disappear, allowing your decor to look like it's floating in air. It creates a sophisticated silhouette that makes even the smallest apartment feel chic and airy. Designer secret 3. The textile layer, tactile warmth. In a small space, we use tactile warmth to create zones. Step 1. Layer your rugs. A smaller, high-texture rug on top of a larger, neutral one anchors the seating area. Step 2. Swap out small, fussy pillows for 2 oversized linen ones. This is scale manipulation. Larger items actually make a small room feel bigger and more undeniably luxe. It's a brilliant way to curate a unique space that tells a story of elegance. Designer secret 4. The art of the gallery, vertical volume art. To make a rental feel like a bespoke home, we use linear rhythm. Step 1. Create a grid gallery wall. 4 identical, inexpensive frames in a perfect square create architectural soul. Step 2. Use high contrast, black and white art. This is designer sophistication on a budget. It draws the eye upward, celebrating the height of your room rather than the width of the floor. Designer secret 5. Shadow architecture, the final glow. The final 10%, the part that turns a room into a soulful sanctuary, is the light. Step 1. Banish the overhead light. Step 2. Introduce 3 points of warm light at different heights. This is shadow architecture. By grazing the textures of your new rug and shelves with warm light, you create atmospheric depth. Your living room doesn't just look decorated, it feels evolved. Senior designer secret 6. The architectural illusion, renter-friendly molding. To truly transform a small apartment, we need to introduce architectural soul. Most rentals are just white boxes, but we're going to practice surface alchemy. Step 1. Use lightweight, peel and stick picture frame molding. Step 2. Paint the molding and the wall in the exact same matte finish. This is linear rhythm at its finest. By adding these subtle raised borders, you create a sense of heritage and permanent luxury without losing your security deposit. It's a senior designer secret that makes a budget living room feel like a historic Parisian flat. It turns a boring wall into a breathtaking architectural statement that anchors the entire room. Before you start moving your furniture around, I just wanted to say a sincere thank you. Thank you for spending these moments with me at Beki Décor. Your journey toward a more intentional, stylish home is why I do this. Every time you leave a comment or share your small space wins, you're helping us grow a community of mindful creators. If you haven't already, I'd love for you to join the family. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you for being here, and for making this space so special. I'll see you in the next one. As we look at this transformation, remember, your square footage does not define your worth, and your budget does not define your beauty. Today wasn't just about apartments. It was about reclaiming your peace. When you pour love into the space where you rest, you are declaring that you deserve a sanctuary. You don't need a luxury mortgage to have a designer life. You just need the vision to see the potential in the space you have right now. Thank you for letting me be a part of your story today. Stay inspired and stay grounded.